face the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is a very quick signal taken.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That was good bowling and a sharp catch.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
No ball called.
There is a fielder at cover. Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler.
No ball called by the umpire.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. Wonderful fielding. That will lift the spirits of the fielding side.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Oh, shot, but only a single.
That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. His first ball.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's six. He picked up the length very early. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Good leave.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
Pacer introduced from the other end. That was such a waste of a wicket.
Nudges it for a single.
Chance of a run out, and that looks very close.
Has to walk back to the pavilion.
That was such a waste of a wicket. Edge and taken. A brilliant piece of bowling. It took the edge and flew away to the fielder. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
Deep point in place.
No ball called.
the bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
That is an excellent catch. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
They would definitely have a score in their mind. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's well left. Did not, neighbors. Last ball of the innings coming out. Missed that completely.